What is up, guys? This is Solefly Sector checking in for another video. Hope you guys are doing well and great and all of that. Hope you guys are having a Solefly day today. So by the title, you guys already know what this video is about, obviously, right? So we have an unboxing. I have to show you and share with you a pair of kicks that I bought 4 weeks ago on the Nike by You, aka on the app, and which was 4 weeks ago, and then I finally got them. So I can't wait to show you guys these and share with you. These are a little bit out there, obviously, and crazy. Hope you guys enjoyed them. So yeah, please, if you're new, leave a like, comment down below of whatever you want. It could be positive or not. I mean, and of course, hit the subscribe button. Please leave a like, because it does help, actually. So that's what I keep hearing. So here's the box. Nike by You. Nike by Me. So let's get right into them. Whoa. You guys need to see these a little bit more. Wow. Look at these. So as you guys could already see, I did the Air Force One. I customized them in the Vault, in the Vault colorway, with the nice little green bottom. That was like a little special feature that they had for these, and I wanted to try something else. So here you go. And I did hit it with the nice little blue there, okay, to just get in another color that just stands out. And I really like how blues I just really like how a light blue really looks on a pair of shoes. Look at that nice little canvas. The leather, I think this is nylon here. Canvas, nylon again. I think it was, I don't really remember, but right here is leather, and it feels super nice. So what do you guys think about these? It's cool, right? They're different. That's what I like. I like unique shoes, as you guys could already tell. I mean, those of you that know me, you guys already know that, so I don't have to. Right here, yeah. Blue on the tongue too, Air Force. Yeah, just something different for you guys. Different feeling. I wanted to give you guys another Nike by You, aka Nike ID, and soon we will do more. Why not, right? Because they're exciting. You guys don't know the feeling, like the ones that you customize. You just want to see it right away, and it brings out a sort of different excitement once you finally get them in hand. It's just different. It just hits a little different. Crazy shoes. So yeah, that's the video. What do you guys think about these? Are they nice? Are they good? Are they Solefly? I think once you have these on feet, you know, if you guys ever do one on the, definitely have a Solefly day, you know, fly like an eagle, fly like an eagle. Just kidding. So yeah, that's what's happening right now. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy this video. Hope you enjoy the kicks with that nice blue. Dude, like I promise you, once you get them, they're crazy in hand and in person. So hope you guys are doing well out there, okay? Be safe. Okay, be safe, wear a mask, and yeah, hope you guys enjoy this video. Please leave a like on this video, hit the subscribe button if you're new, if you haven't already, and comment down below of what you think about these. Comment right now, stop the video and comment. What are your thoughts about my customization right here with the nice Volt Air Forces? Kind of brings out a off-white vibe. I mean, sort of. I mean, they're not exactly, right? So why not have a alternative that looks like that, right? Since I won't get those anytime soon. I don't know. You never know. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy this video. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I hope you guys have a Solefly day. Solefly Sector out. See you in the next one.